If you have a domestic machine, it will work just as well as the industrial one that I'll be using in this video. And I'll be showing you how to make this without using a serger. Welcome to the Quaint Pursuit. I'm the Quaint Boss, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a midi skirt. A midi skirt is basically a skirt that's midway between your waist and your ankle, like the one I'm wearing right now. I absolutely love wearing midi skirts because they're very feminine and chic. And as you notice, I love to use African prints to sew. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make it on African prints. However, you can use any cotton-based fabric. You can use taffeta, you can use silk, you can use challis. That will give you a beautiful skirt. If you want to follow this tutorial and make a much longer skirt, then all you have to do is to alter the length of the fabric that you're cutting. I would also suggest that if you want a skirt that's full of body like this one I'm wearing, then it's best for you to get fabric that is 3 times the circumference of your hip. So if your hip measurement is 30, then I would recommend getting fabric that is about 90 inches wide. That way you get a lot of body on your midi skirt. This tutorial is fairly easy to follow. All you need is a sewing machine, scissors, pin, fabric, pellon, a zipper, and a skirt hook. Oh, you will also need a tape measure because tape measures are always vital when you're sewing. If there's anything that you didn't understand in this video, feel free to leave it in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe for more sewing videos. And if you like, you can also check out my business videos. You can also send me a DM on Instagram at quaintboss, and I'll be sure to respond as soon as possible. You know what else you can do with at quaintboss? Take pictures of your midi skirt and tag me on Instagram at quaintboss, because I want to see the skirts that you guys made, and I want to know if this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I do hope that you will come back next week for more. Bless.